My name is Blessing Ishaku Kefas, and I took the paper-based exam with the British Council. I got an overall score of 8.0. I really enjoyed my experience taking the IELTS exam with the British Council. From the registration process to the examination, the way they conducted the exams, to the result delivery, everything was superb and very up to standard. It was flawless and very easy. Because I'm not really used to the computer as much as I would like, I felt it would be easier for me to take the exam, the paper-based exam, and I did. It was so easy because I'm used to paper every day. I write easier on paper, I write faster, most importantly, because time is a very important aspect of IELTS. And also the reading and the speaking. It's easier to follow what the speaker is saying, tracing it with your pen on your paper than it is on the computer. And the reading, you can make notes on the paper, you can form your own strategies that will help you easier on paper. From the day I registered and I got access to the IELTS Ready Premium and IELTS Ready Member on the British Council website, I studied every day. I read the whole syllabus of what we were expected to study, and I practiced the mock tests. I attended all the classes they made available, and I felt I was equipped enough to write the exam. And then they had tips as well on what you should do on the exam day and how you should conduct yourself, what you should expect, and eventually everything lined up the way I expected it to. I registered for the IELTS exam because I had a conditional offer from UCL, University College London, for a Master's in Public Health. The condition of the offer was that I had to present a certification of English proficiency. So I registered the IELTS, and with my score, I'm sure you can understand that it's not conditional. I don't think there's anywhere I can take my IELTS result and somebody will be doubtful of your authenticity because of the British Council. And also the way they conducted the exam on that day. The teachers were so professional, and it's like they could envisage everything I needed, and it was made available for me. So if my family member or person I cared about is interested in taking IELTS, I would definitely ask them to come to Kenya and take the British Council type of exam.